Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is John and this is your Modern Tech Breakdown. Today I'm revisiting yet again Microsoft's controversial release of the Windows Recall feature. Let's jump into it. So right off the bat, I want to point out that this first release of Windows Recall is happening the week of Thanksgiving here in the United States, which is pretty typically a very slow time for media and public attention in general. So for that point alone, I wanted to do this video just to raise a little bit more awareness that Microsoft is indeed pushing forward with this new Windows feature. At this point, if you're watching this video, I'm going to assume that you know what Recall is. I'm not going to waste your time explaining it. I've got other videos on that. But what you do need to know is that Microsoft has made its first initial release of this feature for people who are enrolled in the dev channel of the Windows Insider program. So it's definitely not a wide release yet. However, the release has been delayed multiple times to address many security-focused concerns, and to be fair, Microsoft has made some changes. Users must re-authenticate with Windows each time they want to access Recall. They have to have BitLocker and Secure Boot both enabled, and Recall is apparently masking sensitive information or data like passwords or credit card numbers so they aren't stored in the database to begin with. I have a couple concerns. First, just the very concept of this feature I think represents a security challenge that in my opinion is not outweighed by the benefits of this feature. Second, it's great to see that Recall will be masking sensitive data, but I really wonder if that's going to be 100% reliable. I can't imagine that it would be, so it still seems very possible to me that sensitive information is going to get stored in this database. But you know, Microsoft is going to a lot of effort to make Recall happen. They've re-architected the app, they've moved the release date multiple times. Now the initial release seems to be strategically timed, almost like the Microsoft PR department got involved. This is a pretty significant effort for Microsoft when it could have just canned the whole thing and saved some money. I think the AI nature of this feature is what's driving Microsoft to go to these lengths. They seem very focused on making use of these new AI chips in their new Copilot Plus PCs. But honestly, when you add it all up, I just don't understand why I would run the risk of using Recall. It just doesn't seem useful enough to justify the risk to me. I suppose the good news is that it is opt-in by default, and you can uninstall the feature if you'd like, and certainly IT administrators can ensure that this feature is not enabled, and I'm sure most of them will. So you can use Windows without Recall, but based on some of the comments I've seen, that might not be enough for some folks. People are pretty steamed about this one. So there's not a whole lot else to update on this story. Basically, the news is that Microsoft has started the slow release of Recall. I'm guessing that the release is going to continue through the US holiday period here at the end of the year. So if you want to avoid Recall, be on the lookout over the next few weeks. But what do you think? Leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you next time.